Today, I have a story for you about a girl and a river. It's all about learning something new every day. Are you excited? Let's jump in. A girl named Mia lives near a big river. She loves the river. Every morning, she walks to the water and sits on a rock. The river flows fast some days, slow other days. Mia watches it and smiles. One day, Mia sees a fish jump out of the water. She thinks, how does it jump so high? She watches closely. The fish moves its tail fast and pushes up. Mia nods. I learned something today, she says. Hard work makes you rise. The next day, Mia hears birds singing above the river. They fly in a circle and land on the water. She wonders, why do they move together? She looks again. The birds stay close to find food easily. Mia laughs. Today, I learned teamwork is smart, she says. Another day, the river looks different. The water turns brown and muddy after rain. Mia frowns. Why is it dirty? She waits and watches. After a few hours, the mud sinks and the water shines clear again. Mia smiles. I learned today, she says. Things get better if you wait. Every day, Mia comes to the river with an open mind. Sometimes she sees a flower growing between rocks. Life finds a way, she learns. Sometimes she feels the wind push the water. Small things can make a big change, she understands. One morning, a wise old man sits near her. He asks, why do you come here every day? Mia says, the river teaches me. Every day, it shows me something new. Fish, birds, water, wind. They all have lessons. The old man smiles. You're right, he says. The world is a teacher. You just need to look and listen. Now, Mia keeps learning. She doesn't know everything, but she grows wiser each day. The river flows, and Mia's heart grows big with new ideas. She knows life is a lesson, and every moment is a chance to learn. That's our story for today. Did you like it? Mia shows us that we can learn something new every day if we pay attention. What do you learn today? Tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.